Hey there everybody, I just wanted to do a quick video on my new favoritist thing to get in the mail now, Snackcrate. If you guys haven't heard of this, it's a subscription-based service where they once a month send you a little package of snacks, and the thing is they're from different countries, so it's kind of cool. You actually have the choice of when you first get your subscription to kind of tell them what you kind of like and don't like. But I just kind of threw mine on random because I'm all out trying whatever, because you know me, I love some snacks. So I'm just gonna do an unboxing here and show you guys what I got. And I really let me just tell you, I didn't realize how much I enjoyed having this service until this thing got lost in the mail. They ship out of Florida. This one ended up going all the way to Puerto Rico and back before it got here, so it was about 2 weeks late. Because I think it had something to do with the hurricanes there right now, or something like that, or maybe somebody just threw it on the wrong boat. I have no idea, but this sucker made a nice little put some miles on it before it got here. Looks okay though. I mean, I don't think anything is going to be out of shape. I cut it open, and we're going to see what we got inside. Look at this. Oh, look at that. So what you'll usually get is you'll get something on the top to tell you where everything came from, and bada boom, we've got snacks from India today. So and they usually send a kind of a sort of a little card in here that'll give you fun facts about where the food came from. More or less kind of like a small little Wikipedia entry of the local area where the food came from, which is kind of cool. A nice little map, and it shows you, fun facts and blah, blah, blah. So, but hey, we know we're all here for the food, so let's get to that. And there's usually kind of a little thing that'll tell you what you've got and kind of what it is. So we've got some, lots of things that I surely can't pronounce. Okay, I can pronounce Poppins. I got that one. Poppins I can pronounce. But who's it? I'm not even going to insult anybody that is from India by trying to pronounce some of this stuff, but I'm just going to say it's probably darn tasty because I like Indian food. Look at that really nice packaging. Look at that. That is just gorgeous looking, right? Ooh, it's like Christmas. I mean, they really kind of go all out to present it really well. We've got some sort of like little chili chocolate chips or something here. I don't know what that is. Looks like it might be pretty good. We've got some flavors of Lay's potato chips, which you won't ever see over here in America usually. I got some before that were from Holland, and it was something really strange, but I haven't been disappointed with any of the potato chip flavors. I mean, Lay's makes some pretty interesting regional flavors for different parts of the country, different parts of the world that would be really nice to be able to just pick up. But that's what these are for, you get these nice little crates to get this stuff. I don't know what that is. It's like kind of a little snack mix, like you've got maybe some dried peas in there and nuts, and I don't know. But this is all I don't know what this is exactly. Indian snacks. It looks like broken up top ramen. I don't know. For all I know, it could be. And here we got some cookies with a kid on it that looks like he's just loving his little cookies. And bourbon. Hey, there's one. Fab bourbon. So I wonder if that actually has a bourbon smell or flavor to it. That'll be interesting. Still digging here. I'll send you quite a pile. Jam In from Fab again. Apparently Fab must be this really good candy company over there. I don't know. These look like little cookies, I'm guessing. I'm thinking they're cookies with a little jam in the middle from the looks of that. And we've got more cookies. Pineapple. Ooh, that sounds kind of good. We've got some more random kind of different candies here. These are little tiny dainty things. Good little snacks. But, ooh, wait. Oh, the snack box giveth more. Look at that. A perk double. Hey, see, it comes with perks, like literally. So, anyways, I just wanted to share this fun little thing that I think it's well worth it. It's about $26, but look at all of this crazy, strange snack stuff. I mean, you know, you're gonna get to taste a few things that maybe you wouldn't have thought of before, and kind of outside of your comfort zone. And who knows, broaden your horizons a little bit, man. Get some snacks from somewhere besides America. All right, you guys have a good one. Oh, and I'm not sponsored by anybody. This is just me sharing the snacky love. That's all I'm doing. All right, you guys have a good one.